How to make money from home during the coronavirus outbreak. These are uncertain times. Many hundreds of thousands of people have been asked to self-isolate and spend time at home during the ongoing coronavirus outbreak. Many more have also lost their jobs along with their main source of family income. Finding yourself in this situation can be daunting, however this is where this free special report will be able to help you. It contains 10 proven home-based business ideas which can all be started instantly on a shoestring budget. Each idea has been carefully chosen to be included in this report by someone that's been making their full-time living working from home, using a laptop computer for the last 19 years. This report isn't about traditional business models that require you to rent premises, employ staff or generally work yourself ragged as you build a company. Instead, this special report is about the type of business where the business exists to take care of you and your needs. Doesn't that sound like a breath of fresh air amongst all the doom and gloom we're currently seeing on the TV news channels right now? How much money can you make? While you're unlikely to make $1 million by tea time, depending on the business model you choose and how much effort you put in, your income from these ideas could range between a few $100s per week to $2,000 or more a month. Perhaps much more. You decide how big you want to build your business, what to invest and whether you want to do it alone or with the help of others. In the free report you're going to discover 5 hand-picked and proven instant startup business ideas which have been specially chosen with beginners to business in mind. You'll find a full description for each idea, what the business involves, and, in most cases, we've also included some extra tips, together with links to additional information and resources to assist you further. I hope you enjoy this free report, and I look forward to hearing about your successes. Click on the link in the description below to access your free report.